Hi, in this video I'll be showing you how to search for opportunities on MyJobsOnline, how to save them and how to manage and apply for them. So if you click on this little briefcase button here, you can click on all the opportunities and manage them here. Alternatively, you can click on the drop down list here and click on opportunities. You can also search for all our opportunities using this button, and then you can see some recommended opportunities here just further down below on the main page and click on the opportunities button here. For this example, I'm going to click on this one here. So you'll come to this page where it shows all of our opportunities on here. It will show you up to about 50 opportunities. We've got quite a few on there, so we've got about 617 at the moment. You can do a quick search for certain text or anything that you can pop in here. If you know like a reference ID to any opportunities, you can also type it in here. If you're looking for certain organisations as well, you can also have a search for here. You can search by opportunity type, so whether it's a graduate role, part-time, placement, voluntary or vacation work, there's quite a few options here. You can also search by occupational areas, so we've got a good few here that you can search for. You can search by location if you're looking to search for a certain area, and by salary as well. And then also where it's posted, when it was posted, and when it is expiring as well, and also the country as well. For example, I've just clicked on 12-month placements and I've found a few from Premier Foods here. So I'm just going to click on their opportunity here. You'll find that there's a description on one side about the opportunity here, and then you can find a fact file about the information. If you want to ask a question to one of us at the Careers Centre about an opportunity, you can ask by clicking the button here. You can find out the salary range, whereabouts it's located, and also if you wanted to share this with someone else, you can also copy the user leap link here. For example, on this opportunity here, you can see it's an application email, so you have to send an email there. On others, there may be an apply link where it sends you to another website as well. If you're thinking about saving this to look at another time, you can click on Actions and then click on Save. When you've saved your opportunities, you'll find when you go back onto the My Jobs Online front page, you'll find that your saved opportunities will come up in a box here. You can go through here to click onto your saved opportunities, or you can go on your opportunities here using the button I showed earlier. You can see here that it has a number 1 because I've saved one of the opportunities, which is the one that I saved earlier. Here you can see all the opportunities that you've got here. You can see the status of when it expires and also the organisation. If you click on the organisation from here as well, you can also see their profile here, just in case if you want to do a bit more research in the opportunity. Going back to the opportunities page, you can see that you can also remove them there, and also go back to the opportunity here in more detail and have a look at it. If you have any other questions, you can email us at careers@reading.ac.uk or give us a call on 0118 378 8359.